neighborhood in Charlotte. One
There's
of
lots
the richest.
there's lots
I
of
would show
neighborhoods
you
like
that
this.
side, but it's hard to see out.
Ooh, look at that one. They got like the ivy on the
Ooh,
side.
well, actually, it's not too bad.
They got the parking garages in the back.
Look at that estate over there. Oh my God.
Look at all that land.
Wow.
You know, with like the shutters, that's pretty. That's like kind of like Italian.
You can't even see the one beside it. These are the kind of houses where somebody says, well, what do they do for a living? Nothing.
Yeah.
They do nothing.
And it's just Range Rover. Look at that. Like, I mean,
Oh gosh, look at that one. Look over there, the mansion.
Yeah.
See it? That's a legit mansion over there.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's check it out.
Yeah.
Check out the mansion. Look, I mean, look at their big old round driveway over there. It's a full driveway.
That one's for sale, ain't it?
How much?
I don't know. There was a
Take
thing
it.
in the yard.
Yeah, look at that. That's
What's the name of the
with
street,
the
Kendall?
wraparound driveway.
This is Hempstead Place.
Hempstead Place.
Oh no, that's where we're turning.
Oh, that's the name of the street, right?
Ooh, look at that one.
Look up houses for sale on Hempstead Place.
I mean, just the fact that you got the. Look at. Oh my gosh, they're so nice.
This looks like
Holy
the
crap.
neighborhood
Look at that one, the arm to the left.
that we drove through when I was a kid.
Yeah, it might be.
I wonder what this looks like through here through Christmas time.
I bet you it's nice.
Look at that. That's somebody's house. There's no way that's a house being built. That's probably their community center or something. Garden tour. It's a country club. Yeah. Don't want those people to see me filming the neighborhood.
But they made their garden.
You've not been invited.
So green too. Like I have a view of Charlotte.
And it smells good out there. You smell that?
Yeah.
with the rain.
It smells like honeysuckle.
Yeah,
Suckle.
with the rain for sure. See, I just have this view of Charlotte being so green now with my drive down to Woods.
Yeah.
Very different stuff.
I just noticed, like at the concert too, there's very much like an old money Southern air. Some of the people that like the clothes they wear, it's very like dresses, like old money looking like dresses.
I bet some of the basketball team.
Here, W, you hold it for a minute.
Oh,
Just
yeah,
so she can
maybe.
get a little bit of
Yeah,
a view.
so she could see a better view. So here's the tree-lined street.
Because I'm having to go back and
As
forth.
you can see.
You can just
Oh,
turn
well,
it
now
off
it's
when you're
junky over there. I was over there.
Taking.
Okay. There we go.
Say that house is chunky over there.
No, I said now it's junky. They're doing construction right there. Oh, look at that ivy one.
Wow. And like I bet when you go in, I'm
Ooh,
like,
look at
look
that.
at that house.
Wow.
I wouldn't like that.
Yeah, I feel like you're on display.
Kinda
Yeah,
Harry
well, I
Potter
guess they-
looking.
look at that
I
one.
like this one
Look
with
to
your
your left.
tree. Oh, yeah.
And I bet like they're so pretty inside.
Yeah.
I
Yeah, they
could
probably
go in
are.
a house like that all day long, Dennis, but the rug's still gonna stink from Rudy's garden.
Us too. That one's interesting. Look at that one.
I don't
That's
care
kind of
that.
cool. That one looks like a
love that
fairy
one. Look at
tale. Oh, that's cute. The southern, just like the very like wraparound porch.
Wow, Dumpy.
That
you
one
go
looks
this
like
way
a
home from
fairy
work
tale.
On purpose, huh?
Yeah.
I don't like that. Was too modern looking.
Yeah. Oh, look
They're
at
having it
that
done.
one, Ma.
Look at that. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if how they do trick or treating in this neighborhood.
Oh, yeah. I bet you Halloween is probably fun through here.
I don't know. Sometimes rich people are a little bit different. Like,
Yeah,
here
that's
you
true.
go, dropping one little piece of freaking.
That's true. I think, yeah, that's true. Probably Christmas, though. You probably get the real traditional, like,
Maybe
real
so.
Christmas, you know
Look
what I
at
mean?
that.
Oh, that one's like a fairy tale. Look
It's
at
hard
that.
to see them.
Got the little castle spire.
Yeah, a little castle in there.
There it is. Spire, spire, right?
Oh, wow, yeah. All right, y'all want to head back?
Yeah.
All right.
Check on the man.
Check on the Rome bones. These ones are cute, too.
Range Rovers in every driveway.
Yeah, literally so many Range Rovers. It's ridiculous. G-Wagons. All right, Ma, I think that's the end of the nice house tour. Till next time when we have some more cool stuff to show you. Love.